Dear viewers, welcome to Kabiito Family. I'm Mary Kabiito Namudu from Kakunyu Village, Nkoni Parish, Kingo Sub-County, Lwengo District. This is our home, me and Mr. Kabiito Moses, with our children. God gave us 7 children, 3 are ordinary, and 4 are having multiple disabilities, as you can see. They have physical disability. They cannot sit, they cannot walk. They have intellectual, whereby their understanding is very low, and they have speech problems. They are also epileptic. Raising them up was not easy for me and my family. That prompted me to start a school which is called Kakunyu Inclusive Junior School, whereby we are teaching ordinary children alongside these ones. Because we are in the lockdown, all of them went home, and I remained with these ones, my biological and the baby Michael. This is baby Michael, who was abandoned by the parents and was left at Villa Maria Hospital. These children have a lot of needs, like they need a team of professionals, a physiotherapist, a speech therapist, and an occupational therapist. And they also need basic needs, as you can see. They are not so productive, but they are very expensive. A speech therapist, we are to spend with him for only 3 hours, and he needs 60,000. That means 20,000 per hour. We wanted to get a speech therapist, but that one became too much for us. A speech therapist wanted 70,000 per child per visit. And in our region, there is no way we can get an occupational therapist. So for that one, it is on hold. So for that matter, I call upon all of you viewers that if possible, please give whatever you can. Technical advice, prayers, material, all financial support, and any other support you can think of. And please, if you come across parents who are having such children, comfort them. Encourage them not to lose hope. Give them hope and courage so that they take care of their children. God has a reason as to why He gave us these children. They are human beings. Let us support them. Thank you very much.